This is the way we do the open breaks in Nightclub Two Step, also called the flip-flops. So we're gonna start in this direction so you can see his arms. We did a basic first. We went 1 and 2, 3 and 4. He gives me a little push away. We'll show you that in a minute, but I wanna show you this arm. He's gonna open me up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then he lifts up his arm, and I do my pivot turn. All right, we'll do it from here. Do you want to talk, Dick?
No.
Okay, good. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here's my lead. He pushes away. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We can do it from this direction. You can see my footwork. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. He pushes me away. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we would go right back to basic. And 2, 3 and 4. So that is the flip-flops or open breaks in Nightclub Two Step.